Alright, what's new everyone? Today we're going to be getting our Fire TV Stick 4K Max set up. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box here. If you haven't watched my unboxing video, I did an unboxing video earlier. So let's go ahead and get everything out that we need. Got the USB, remote, the actual Fire Stick itself. On my other Fire Stick, I put in the batteries after. Let's see what happens when I put in the batteries before. Get this guy out. I am definitely opening this wrong. There we go. So the 4K Max does have a slightly bigger remote. And the battery case is longer also. So positive direction up that way. It's longer but narrower. There you go. So that guy's ready. I'm gonna go plug this guy in and let's get set up. We got the Fire Stick plugged in. I'll boot up. Searching for the remote. Give it a second here. So I do have the batteries in the remote. I'm going to go ahead and press the home button since it's not finding it. Go, and now it found the remote, so I'm going to press the play pause button. I'll select English. And I set it up using the QR code for the other Fire Stick, so this time I'm going to go ahead and set it up there with the remote. This one doesn't give me the warning that might take a little bit longer because I gotta type things. So let's see what happens. Searching for networks. This one, it gives you the signal strength. And put in your password. Put your passwords in, go ahead and select connect. I'll check for updates, and last time for the 4K one, this took about 6 minutes. Let's see how long this takes. The demo was pretty quick, then it rebooted, and once it was installing the update, it took a long time. Firmware is downloaded. It's going to restart now. Rebooted and now it's installing the update. Update's installed. It should reboot now in just a second. It's rebooted here, we can finish our setup. Check for updates again, it shouldn't find any. Oh, I found another update. We're gonna have to go through this process again. Alright, gonna have to reboot on that one. Alright, since I didn't use the QR code, I have to sign into my account here. Okay, so we either have to sign in online or use the QR code. I put in that code they gave me at amazon.com/code and it brought me here. I didn't click continue there, but it continued for me. This is the same screen we got the other Firestick Max. I'll click got it. Continue, okay. Save Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon, and no thank you. Alright, the remote's set up now. I'll have to say no thanks to all these offers again. The third one's where they try and trick you and make the no thanks on the right side. And there we go. No thanks. Same questions before about the pen. It'll make me set up my pen right now. Alright, subscribe to this. I'm going to click skip this time. That's my profile. And I think we're ready to watch TV. This time it's automatically starting for me. The setup was the same as the Firestick 4K. I'll do a comparison between the 4K and this 4K Max to see what the differences are. Other than that, that is all. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.